Total Wireless and Straight Talk are both prepaid carriers owned by Verizon, but they differ in network and plan flexibility. Total Wireless exclusively uses Verizon's network, offering reliable coverage, especially in rural areas. Straight Talk, on the other hand, lets you choose between Verizon, AT&T, or T-Mobile networks, giving you options for better urban or specific carrier coverage. Total Wireless emphasizes simple, unlimited data plans, though often with throttling, while Straight Talk offers tiered data options and more customization. Choosing between them depends on your coverage needs and data usage habits. Speed-wise, Total Wireless, being Verizon-based, averages 40 to 60 Mbps download speeds. Straight Talk speeds vary. Its T-Mobile option can hit 200 plus Mbps in urban 5G zones, while AT&T offers balanced speeds. Both throttle data after limits. Value-wise, Total Wireless offers budget-friendly unlimited plans, good for consistent usage. Straight Talk has tiered plans that work if you want cheaper plans for low usage. To summarize, if you want guaranteed Verizon coverage, go with Total Wireless. If you are in a city and want to use T-Mobile, go with Straight Talk and pick the T-Mobile SIM card.